In this video, I will show you how to create a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. Now, before you can go ahead and start playing GTA 5, you do need to have a Rockstar Games account. So to get started, open up a new internet browser, and what you want to do is come across to the Rockstar Games website, which is rockstargames.com. Once you're on the website, come up to the top right hand corner, click onto this profile icon up here, and on this menu that pops up, you're going to see an option to sign up. So click on sign up. What you need to do first is enter your date of birth so that Rockstar Games can verify your age. Next, what you need to do is read through the terms and conditions, privacy policy, and then tick the box here to read and accept the terms and conditions, and then click on to next. Now, what you can do is enter a email address that you want to use to create your account, as well as a password and your Rockstar Games account nickname. Then what you want to do is enter your country or region from the drop down box here, and then tick if you would like to receive news and promotional messages from Rockstar Games and its affiliates. Once you're happy, come down and click next at the bottom. Next, what's going to happen is you're going to want to verify your email. So a code's going to be sent to the email that you entered. Here we are in the email, and you can see this is what email is going to look like. All you need to do is copy the code from this email, and once you've done that, come back to Rockstar Games and then enter the code into the box here, and then click submit at the bottom. Just bear in mind, you only have 15 minutes to review and verify your email, so make sure you do that straight away. But once you've done that, you'll be taken to a page like this. Now, on this page, you can choose a few different things and settings for your profile. So you can choose your profile visibility, whether you want this to be set to everyone, friends and crews, or just yourself. And you can just go through and repeat this for different parts of your profile. For example, your feed activity, your game stats, and some other things on here. Now, once you're happy with everything, just scroll down all the way to the bottom. And what you want to do is click the continue button at the bottom. So it's just going to take a minute or two, and what that's then going to do is take you back to the Rockstar Games homepage. At this point, you're automatically going to be logged in. So if you come up to the top right hand corner, you're going to see, if I click onto the profile icon, that we are now logged into our Rockstar Games account. And that is how to create a Rockstar Games account for GTA 5. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.